Bella is eating out the dough.
I love it!
I'm gonna let you guys see Bella.
We're on the new tool and the rate's supposed to come in effect January 1. And we don't.
Good job! Good job, girlies!
This is the end of VLOGMAS-ish for 2023. Big ups.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian.
What's happening on here?
Cookies! Merry Christmas, and we get to eat one tonight.
I don't think these are hard enough to make it in the shape. Alright, so I'm going to tell you what we're going to do.
Okay. Alright. Hi, Ginger girl.
I'm going to give you the cookie. And you're going
Well, I know
to...
Santa eats right there.
No, it's us.
Cookies are out.
And you're going to roll it in your hands like dough in a circle and put it on the shape.
And then press it down.
No,
Guys, I never bake anything in that way. Muffin. I used to bake muffin now.
Alright.
We're gonna make cupcakes too, but not today.
Roll this in a ball.
It tastes so yummy. Yeah.
No, they're going to spread out by themselves.
Oh.
Alright, Bella, don't want to eat it.
What do you think of dumpling?
It tastes yummy. The dough tastes yummy. Yeah. You
Here.
get one.
In your mama. Serving platter, serving dish. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
I wish he was real. He would be so cute. I've seen him in Christmas Chronicles on the plates. Now imagine him in real life. Funny.
Guys, Bella is eating all the food.
Bella is eating out the dough.
375 degrees.
I love it. Goodbye. Please. 195.56 degrees Celsius.
Turn on the gas.
But the cookies are not even in there. Oh, I forgot there was an oven light, Mom. Alright, I forgot there was an oven light. Where's the fire coming from? From the bottom.
Light it and put it on there.
Wait, Mommy, where's the cookies?
You don't put it in there.
See this hot?
Yeah, I feel it on my face. Wait, I feel it on my face, Mom. Woo. Daddy, it's getting cooked. Oh my gosh.
Yay, we got it good.
You got it good this year.
Yeah, last year was not so good.
That smells so good. Mommy, shouldn't you turn off the thing right now? Can I turn off the lights?
Yeah, you can.
No. Mommy, what are you doing?
I put them on the tray so that y'all can decorate them.
And then we can get one. We need to pitch this idea. It smells so good. I want to eat one already. But first we have to decorate them so they taste more better. Better.
Better, mama.
But I saw worried my vocabulary.
More gooder.
Do you want to use Grammarly?
No, I mean, Jamaicans, that's how we say good,
Smells so good. I bet
gooder,
it will taste so good.
better, mama. Good, better, best. Bella! Bella! Bella!
Yes, Daddy.
Come.
Yes, Daddy. It's time.
Come up here, son.
It's time. It's time. It smells so good, Dad. My tongue
Here
is
we
full
go.
of leaves.
Here we go.
Even.
This is the other side, Mom. Turn it left that way.
This way.
Right. Now rub it towards you.
Okay.
So start at the end, now rub it towards you. Right.
You
And
pull
push
it
over
like
to the
this.
side.
And then
Right.
rub it all over.
I think keeps getting on my finger.
No, it's fine.
But that's all in a day of a chef. Next cookie.
Do the other one.
Right, next one, Mom.
Here we go.
Rub it all over it.
Oh my god, Bella, you're already at your second one? I just started my second one.
Not a race, Mom. Don't worry, don't compare.
I know. That doesn't look so good.
I'm gonna eat. By the time you finish, no cream, no leave on this something. It tastes the same way every time, you know.
Yeah. Oh, now I get what you're saying now, Dad. Every time Bella leaves, it's gonna
Just
taste.
flash your eyes in, but then you point, take it off.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. That's enough sprinkle for you, little one. This
10:15.
Take one.
Eat, bathe, bed.
One.
Two
One.
tonight?
One. You have to, alright, break it. Take your time and break it. Break a piece. Right. Love it? How is it, Bria?
Hard, chewy, yummy, delicious, tasty, buttery.
Right.
It's good.
We might be so energized after this.
Okay.
For you,
I have to
Brie.
top it off with some milk. The milk work. Cheers, Brie.
I like some more milk. Let's spread some up.
Let me see what's on the side of the cup. Don't forget.
To smile to yourself.
So we're closing out the vlog. Wife is packing for tomorrow. Going on a little road trip. It is now 12 a.m. midnight.
Massikin.
You ain't hear them little one next door and I sleep? Cause them excited.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So I try to put on the brazier in a shot. So anyway, you know what brazier look like. Another day's journey and I'm so glad. Another day's journey and I'm so glad. Cufflinks fam. Bright and early in the morning.
Is that new intro then?
No, I was just singing. It is the day before the day. Before the day. Right? Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 days before Christmas.
2 days from now, right? The day before the day before the day. I think.
Girls have been counting down. We can't afford to forget.
Yeah. And according to Bria today, we're going on vacation. A 1-day trip. Just taking them out before the holidays end. And we were to be doing something else for Christmas, but it don't work out. So we're making the best of a different situation. So we're gonna head to Ocherias and have some fun.
We're going to St. Mary, huh?
St. Mary person?
Yes.
Turn.
It's just outside of Ochi, remember where Brent used to live?
On the border.
But we're going to St. Mary.
Okay. I stand corrected.
Hungry.
It is a little after 7. We were up from 5:30. And we were to leave out at 6 and meet up with some of our friends but the baby isn't well, and we know how that goes. So we're off to a little late start, but it's gonna be a good day nonetheless. I think Bella is sleeping using her new headwear.
And she's wearing sunglasses.
And she's wearing shades. And Bria is wide awake. Bria is the morning riser like daddy.
Yeah, Bella is being so big.
Bria drink her tea already. And ready to go back to sleep. But at least hungry belly one over here. Some tea there. Drink the tea. And
I'm gonna let you guys see Bella. So that thing on her head, we bought it so that when she's sleeping and we're driving, the head is not being flung forward or sideways or every direction as it normally is. The big girl over here, her seatbelt and her booster,
My pillow on my sheet.
the pillow and everything. And here we have him. And here we have me.
introducing her.
Hairstyle at one. Such and such. Guys, I so telling about my Christmas menu here.
I soon tell you about the Christmas menu to hear, guys.
Yeah. What you going to consume first and second and
Turn
third.
and food, yes.
Want some fish. Want some fish with some roast fish. So guys, I get a new stove, you see? I'm been on a baking spree. I just want to bake things and roast things and
Yeah, the girls sampled it last night, so we're going to drop that clip shortly.
I mean,
Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, brought some, I think.
Yes,
Yeah.
some is in the car.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. If you know you're on, it's not you. It's just a part of her, guys. So we're driving.
Yeah.
Anyway.
We baked Christmas cookies last night, so we showed that was fun. I'm gonna do some more baking for the rest of.
Yeah, we're gonna make cupcakes.
Yeah, we're gonna make cupcakes and muffins and stuff. And I have to go order an extra cylinder because I cannot afford for the gas to finish on Christmas Day.
You need to call the man from today.
Yeah, and I'm gonna.
Reserve it.
Oh, trust me, they're never out.
Babe, alright.
No, I'm just saying.
Christmas.
Yeah,
Can't do
they're
no
never
shops.
out. And last year Christmas Day came on Christmas Day to deliver gas. Most faithful, you call them? Gas people.
Come here with fear when you call them.
Yeah, I'm actually going to start cooking tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna start cooking tomorrow, so that's pre-cooking some stuff, so that on the day I don't have too much to do.
We're on the new tool, and the rate's supposed to come in effect January 1, and we don't have a clue
I
what those
don't know
rates
what
are.
the rates are.
I don't know if there's been an update in the news saying that it's gonna be pushed back or what,
I'm gonna look.
but it's weird.
Yeah, because it's soon the end of the year.
Right, and it's best for us to start getting our minds around what we have to pay when we use this. But it is what it is. We're happy for the freeness. We enjoyed it. We made full use of
yes. Talk about it.
it. Yeah. I mean, it would be a nice gift for Jamaica, right? So if they want to gift us free toll for the rest of our...
You know, see how much toll good on the toll already? Free.
Alright, look and see if they've announced it. Anyway, we'll see you in the next part of the vlog when we get there.
It's gonna rain.
Don't hope not, but look at the fog. We're going in the fog here. Oh, see it? It's above us.
Alright, so we're here at Duns River. We just went and requested that the water park be turned on. So we're heading back to the water park. Take your time, girls. They're getting so big, like OMG. I don't have to accompany them up. They have each other. It's I'm gonna cry. It's the most beautiful thing. Most beautiful thing. All right, let's see them come down. Ah! Good job. Good job, girlies. Good job, big sis.
I didn't scream much.
Yeah.
I want to
So,
go to Bella.
so Bella can't go by
I
herself?
want myself first.
Here you go, you're the lucky one.
Thank you.
I'm a fair first and so on.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you.
Drinking my
Come here. Me and Tessa more friends. It's alright. I'll take it.
That's how you go.
It's
The
fine.
best way, natural.
It's fine. Alright.
Oh, no. Iced tea at the restaurant. I'm restaurant. Hey,
Bella.
was I sleeping in class again? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Ooh. So Bria and Bella are having hot dog and fries.
It's lunch.
Lunch. Bella, not too much salt, babes.
Hmm?
Not too much. Alright, no more.
Salt, salt, salt. Oh, can't forget.
Yum yum. Say your grace. You don't need it on every single one, baby.
God is good. God is great.
Bria?
With a second song. Amen.
Amen. Your turn, Bria?
God is good. God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hands we must be fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Hello, Little Mermaid. Yeah?
I can make my son. I need water.
You gonna try and get up?
Yeah.
After two? Let me see.
Hold on, wait, hold on. I'm trying to secure it.
Ready?
Hold on. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
That was so hard.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey!
Honey?
Yeah.
Cufflinks fam, it is the end of VLOGMAS-ish 2023.
Yep, yeah.
We've come to the end of the road for another year. We made it to 12 videos out of 24. So we're halfway there. You know, it should have been from December 1 to December 24. One of our videos was uploading for 2 days and it didn't get to upload until the 24th. And we're doing a double up today. But this is the end of VLOGMAS-ish for 2023. Big ups to all the content creators who do this for 24 days straight.
Big ups to no.
It is not easy, especially as you have a family and then as you have kids. So yeah, so thank you for staying with us. Thank you for sharing, liking, subscribing, and of course it's not the end of the year, but it's the end of VLOGMAS-ish 2023. So big ups to all the Cufflinks fam. Anything you want to say?
No sleep. That's what I want to say. But big ups, guys. Thank you for the support. We'll see you in the next video.
Alright, so we have Christmas, we have Boxing Day, we have Christmas Eve, and then 2024. Enough love. Thank you.
Christmas
very
Eve?
much. Yes, we're going to drop one on New Year's Eve.
Oh.
Sorry, thanks. It seems like it's me you want to sleep. We out.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. right. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.